Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a significant development in the Russian aviation industry. In a move towards greater self-reliance, Russia's Superjet airliner, now rebranded as the SJ-100, has successfully completed its first test flight on March 17 powered by the domestically produced PD-8 engine. This test flight, which took place in Komsomolsk-on-Amur in Russia's Far East, marks a crucial step in Russia's efforts to establish a robust domestic commercial aircraft sector. The PD-8 engine is considered the heart of this import substitution program, designed to replace previously sourced foreign components. As many of you know, Western sanctions imposed after the events in Ukraine have significantly impacted Russia's aviation sector, making access to foreign-made parts and technologies increasingly difficult. Rostec CEO Sergei Chemezov highlighted that the Superjet had to be practically reassembled from scratch after 2022. The 40-minute test flight saw the SJ-100 reach speeds of up to 500 km per hour and an altitude of 3,000 meters. This is just the beginning of a rigorous testing phase, with around 200 test flights planned to assess the aircraft's overall performance, safety, and efficiency before it can be certified for mass production. Sergei Chemezov emphasized the speed of the project by global aviation standards, while Vadim Badika, CEO of UAC, noted that these flight tests will pave the way for retrofitting the existing Superjet fleet with the new PD-8 engines. The PD-8 is expected to receive its certification this fall, according to United Engine Corporation CEO Alexander Grakyov. Interestingly, this development comes as Russia's MC-21 medium-range passenger jet is also preparing for its first test flight with the Russian-made PD-14 engine in June. This parallel effort underscores Russia's broader ambition to create a fully domestic commercial aircraft industry. The Russian government has pledged over $2.7 billion towards developing domestic aircraft, with aims to manufacture over 600 aircraft by 2030 to replace its aging Western-built fleet. However, concerns remain regarding production capacity and meeting these ambitious timelines. The first test flight of the SJ-100 with the PD-8 engine is undoubtedly a significant step for Russia's aviation sector. Whether they can overcome the challenges of mass production and meet their ambitious goals remains to be seen. What are your thoughts on Russia's efforts to develop its domestic aircraft industry? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on global aviation and technology. See you in the next one.